Any mine in the world has a water problem, either not enough water or too much water. We have too much. It's the biggest issue we have.
So the challenge they faced on site here was an excess inflow from their underground workings into their tailings pond here, an excess of about 300 gallons a minute.
The options for water management is pretty slim. It's either water treatment or evaporation. Evaporation on an operating cost is one of the lowest. That's initially what made it attractive to us. So I'm looking for problem solving, and Minetek was a problem solver for me, and there's all kinds of evaporator companies. Minetek just seemed like they cared a little more.
After an extensive research on site and studies through the weather data, we settled on a solution for a 400-200 evaporation system, settled on a target of 180 gallons a minute, which this system will give us. What sets the Minetek system apart is it's a system designed specifically to evaporate water in very challenging mine applications and other applications and outside of mining as well.
The collaboration with Minetek has been great. They did the upfront thinking for us because I was questioning the technology because of the weather. So I wanted to make sure they could prove to me that it worked in this environment, and it has.
In terms of how the environmental management system works, it's a very important part of our system. It's a live weather station. It's what makes the Minetek system very unique. So anytime the system detects that there's out of compliance with the parameters set in there in terms of rainfall, wind speed, wind direction, the software tells the system, hey, this is not working, this is out of compliance. It'll shut the system down.
Well, after the first day, once we hit the go button and let's let it run, I sat back here for the first couple days just monitoring it. And after that, I convinced Aaron that no, we ain't gonna have to have somebody sit back here with it all day long. We can do what Minetek says and let it run 24/7.
Yeah, the system is working and exceeding what we originally planned.
It's been a really good result so far. It's showed us that it does work. As of now, you can look at our measurements day to day and seeing a drop in the pond and knowing it's a substantial difference in our levels.
In terms of tech, we do have a few remote connection options with it. We can tie into your local, your control room. We want to make it as easy to use for the customer as possible. We don't want them here babysitting this equipment.
Just seeing how simple it is, especially when you bring in the remote monitoring capabilities that y'all offer with it and the Starlink system where you can view it from anywhere in the world.
We knew we would be in the forefront in the area for water evaporation, and we've had several visitors.
Once other mines in the area started seeing they also have a water problem, so then they started talking to us. We told them, yeah, it's working great. They seen some of the data coming back.
It's been a big game changer in the area right now.
Some of the things that make people at Minetek special is we try to sell a solution, which is not just like the product that we manufacture and sell, but we also want to back that up with our service and the people at Minetek.
So we have environmentalists, we have scientists, we have our engineering team, and we work together as a team to approach the solution based on the information that the customers provided us. It's no me or I in the solution, it's a whole team.
In the world I come from, a relationship means everything. So having a good relationship with Stuart and Chris, that means a lot to me.
We understand that feeling of frustration to get an issue resolved. And a lot of times, just having somebody on the other end of the phone is all they need.
After sales support's been great. Everybody we talked to with Minetek's been very well receiving. They're not just saying, no, this is the way. Minetek takes information back from the field and utilizes that in the future development.
So we have installed in over 30 different countries, 700 plus installs now that we've done. We've seen a lot of different challenges that we know that our system works. And based on the feedback that we've gotten from our customers, we know that our solution is superior to what you'd find on the market of a similar type system.
When you pay this kind of money, you expect quality, and that's what we've got.
It's been great working with Minetek, and I know from our engineering standpoint, some of the engineers are just ecstatic with the fact that the water's going away. It's doing what Minetek told them it would do, and some. We're looking actually into expanding, going out and getting more of these units for this pond. It really helps this mine be sustainable.
As a company, Minetek is very proud of the work that we do and helping mitigate those risks so they can keep running their business. They're in the business to mine, not do water. That's what we're here for.
Across the board, it's been quality craftsmanship, quality relationship. That's big in my world.
Just take care of the customer and everything else will work itself out.